Hey, I seriously cannot believe it is the end of May. Where has this month gone to? I really cannot figure that out. But I'm excited today to share with you about our Memorial Day tote sale. So it's going to be 50% off 5 different styles starting May 21st, which is Friday, through the 31st of May. So on the 21st of May, it's going to launch at 3 a.m. Eastern time, okay? And then on the 21st, it's going to end at midnight Pacific time. That gets a little confusing. So you've got 10 days to shop these amazing prices while supplies last. Okay, so we always know with any kind of sale that we have with 31 that things sell out very quickly. So just know that if there's something that you want to grab, definitely get your order in ASAP. Okay, so let's get started with the items that are in this sale. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorites. I've literally hung on to it because I love it so much. I love the print in this. So this is called the Crossbody Organizing Tote. Now, all the totes that I'm sharing, I can't remember if I said this, are 50% off the original price, okay? Now, these items can be personalized and they can qualify you for the 50% off item, okay? So remember, with our customer special, our 50/50 special, for every 50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item, okay? So that 50% off item can really be anything in the catalog. It can be our most expensive item. So don't feel like you have to grab another sale item as your half price item. It can be anything in the catalog. Now, do keep in mind though, that if you do choose one of these sale items that I'm about to show you as your 50% off item, it's gonna take 50% off the original full price of that item. You're not gonna get 50% off the sale price. It'll be 50% off the original retail price, okay? All right, so the first one is I have my cheat sheet, the Crossbody Organizing Tote. Now, it's going to be $19 in the sale. It's gonna come in this tropical twist print and also the Vista stripe print. Now, the Vista stripe has like a navy and orange and like a yellow in there. So if you wanted to personalize that, make it stand out in that Vista stripe, do it in navy, okay? All right, now, this is the Crossbody Organizing Tote. I love this one. You've got deep pockets here on the front, okay? You can see I've got a huge 𝗪𝗡 in here. This is a 24-ounce 𝗪𝗡, and it fits in here nice. So you've got handles right here. I love the handles here. They're nice and long, so they don't feel tight on your arm, but it also does come with a crossbody strap. So I like that option, being able to wear this crossbody, and it's adjustable, so you can move this up and down to fit you, okay? This is just a great teacher bag. I just think this is a great bag for all ages and all people. You've got mesh pockets here on the side, so you can put a water bottle in there if you need to. This does have a zipper closure on the top, so I like that you can keep your things nice and secure. It's just the great features of any of our utility totes. This has that same feel as a large utility tote, so if you have one of those, a zip top organizing utility tote, it's the same fabric, okay? Now, on the inside, you can lift this zipper up and have it just like this, or you can kind of tuck it in. I like to tuck mine in, but it's up to you. And then on the inside, I wanted to show you, I have a 3-ring binder in here. So your laptop could fit in here. I have a 15-inch laptop, and my 15-inch laptop is just about as big as this. So like a 17-inch laptop would fit in here. And then on the inside, you do have a pocket back here. So this is just a little, sorry, it's kind of hard to show you, but there is a pocket in there. It's got that laminated, I think this cup is what is making it hard for me to show you, sorry. There we go. So that's the inside, okay? And then there is that little pocket back here to store things as well. So this is called the Crossbody Organizing Tote, and this is in navy. So the straps are navy. Also in this other print that this comes in, the straps are navy as well. So you can see that I did this this is an older personalization, which I wish we still had, but hot pink looks good on here, orange. I would probably do a navy to make it stand out, but you've got white, navy, orange, and hot pink colors in this one, okay? So that's the Crossbody Organizing Tote. Let me move this. All right, the next item that I have for you guys, this is called the Round Utility Tote. This was one of my favorites last summer when we had this. I showed it at every single party. Like, I love the Round Utility Tote. This comes in several prints, okay? The Round Utility Tote is going to be $18. It's going to come in Tip Top Chevron, which is this black and white print. It's going to come in Tip Top Chevron, Rose Blush Metallic, Moroccan Tile, which is this print right here, Miami Stripe, which I don't have anything in that, but it's like a turquoise and white stripe, really pretty, and Denim Distress. So it'll come in this denim print as well, okay? So it's gonna be $18. All right, some features about this. You can see that I actually have 6 rolled up beach towels in here. Now I love that it's got that round silhouette look. It just makes it so fun. I did the bracket personalization in the black thread color to match the black straps, and you'll see that you've got a pocket here. So 6 rolled up towels, and then there is also right here a built-in pocket here. I even use this as a pool bag, but I also used it as a work bag last summer when I was, you know, working outside of my home. I would just put my laptop in here. I mean, it was great. So I loved this round utility tote. Now, for some of the other prints, the tip top chevron, of course, you'd probably want to personalize that in a white thread color if you wanted it to blend, or really any other color is going to stand out on that black. The rose blush, I would do like a rose, the blush thread color, or white would look good on there. The Moroccan tile, of course, I did black, but you could do turquoise, hot pink, really any color. Miami stripe, I would either do white, you could do the turquoise thread color, and then the denim, I would do, to match the denim, I would do navy personalization on there. So that's the round utility tote here, okay? All right, next up, since these are just on top, are the small utility totes. Now, if you guys watched my car organizing video, I'll link it above. I use a small utility tote in my car every single day. So this is the size of our small utility tote. It's a little bit larger than about half the size of a large utility tote. Okay, so this is called the small utility tote. It's got a pocket right here on the front. Then it's got that, it's the same features of our large utility tote. You got the wire rim around the top, so it stays open, but it can collapse down. Okay, so I love that about the small utility tote. Now, the small utility tote is going to be $16 in the sale. It's going to come in the chestnut print. This is that chestnut brown. Chestnut. It's going to come in the denim. It's also going to come in that Vista stripe, the same print as that crossbody organizing tote. I always say that wrong. Flights of Fancy. So it's like a really light blue background with birds on there. The Windswept diamonds print, that's like a navy with white diamond shape, so it's really pretty. Desert Dash is like a light taupe color, really pretty. And Tip Top Chevron, which is this right here. And then the Stepping Stones print, which Stepping Stones, it almost kind of looks like a honeycomb, and it's like a charcoal print. It's one of my favorites, and really any personalization looks great on there. So this is called the small utility tote. It's got that pocket here on the front. This is great for even for like a beach bag for like 1 or 2 people. Put a couple towels in here, a little beach bucket, sunscreen, and you are good to go. So that's called the small utility tote, okay? And like I said, it will come, I just had these out. Tip Top Chevron, and then also the chestnut brown print. And if you, I can't remember if I said this, but if you do the chestnut brown, these, the straps are black. Okay, don't let that confuse you, because sometimes they're like, are they brown or black? These are black. Okay. All right, and then the last 2 items that I have, this is called the cinch utility tote. Okay, so this is in that midnight marble print. It's really, really pretty. And mine says, wherever you are, be all there. And this is in the blush thread color here, okay? Now, the cinch utility tote just comes in this print. It is $19, okay? So you've got a pocket right here. It's kind of like that real feel here. I'm not sure what that's called, like not vinyl, but I'm not sure. And then you've got straps right here, so you can carry it just like this. Now, this does cinch up. So the cinch things are on the side, so you'll just grab those and cinch this up. Okay, so this is great for like a gym bag. It's great, really, if you want to keep things secure in here. I'll put some towels in here. How about that? Let's put some of these 6 beach towels from the round utility tote, and I will show you what it will hold, because I need a size comparison. So I love, and it's so hard sometimes on videos to give you a size comparison. So I always try to have things available that you have in your home so you can have an idea. Okay, so this is 6 beach towels in here, okay? Now, it's probably not going to zip up, cinch up all the way, But just so you guys can see, I have 6 towels in here. So this is great for kids. It is great for gym. It's great for a little beach or a pool bag. You may not need 6 beach towels. So this might be perfect if you have 2 or 3 beach towels, okay? So this is called the Cinch Utility Tote. It's gonna be on sale, I think, for $19. And then the last one that I have is our medium utility tote. It's I love this size. Sometimes that large utility tote can be too big. Like we just, it's great for some things, but sometimes we just put so much stuff in it that we cannot carry. It's just too heavy. So I love the medium utility tote. Okay, this is in that Twinkling Plum print. Look how gorgeous this is. So it's got metallic rose blush polka dots on here. So personalizing, if you want to personalize this print, do it in the rose blush. You will not regret that blush thread color. Same thing as our utility tote. You got that wire rim around the top so it stays open when you, and then if you don't need it, just cinch it down just like that, push it down. This comes in this Twinkling Plum print. It also comes in the Windowpane, which is like a lighter gray with like a white window pane design on there, so you could personalize that really in any color. And then I thought that I had this one, but I can't find it. So we also have another medium utility tote. It's $19 and it's called Touchdown Time. So it's like a football scene, like a football stadium scene, and the football field is the middle of here, so you could personalize like your name or anything or your team on here, and then there's like so many colors in here, so any team color that you have would look good on as your thread color as personalization on that. And that football one is actually a different product number, but it's $19. So when you're in the search and you're typing in medium utility tote, you'll see that 2 that pull up. So just click on either one of them and you'll figure out which ones are which. So that is my Memorial Day tote sale, you guys. So there's those 5 products that are on sale at 50% off. So this starts May 21st through May 31st. So you've got 10 days to shop, and this is while supplies last, okay? And remember, when you're shopping, you guys, that when you have $50 in your cart, the next item that you add is going to be half price. It's such an amazing customer special because basically my entire catalog is half price because you get to choose what you want your sale item to be. I love that. So you guys, if you don't have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. Okay, just click to join, answer the 2 questions, and then I'm going to send you back a private message. So make sure that you check that message request folder or your spam folder. If worse comes to worse, click on my name and then just click message and you'll see my message that I have sent you. Okay, so this is just for my customers. It's not for consultants. I have got this public platform here to help consultants. So my VIP group is just for my customers. All right, and if you're interested in hosting, if you think that your friends and your family are going to want to shop this sale too with you, let me create you a shopping link. Okay, you can shop on your own shopping link and you can share that link with your friends and your family, and you can earn rewards. You can earn rewards that way. So that's the best way to do. Share the link with your friends and your family, and you earn rewards, and you can shop on your own link too. Okay, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.